Mangar, the largest Paleolithic South Asian Stone Age site on the Indian subcontinent, dates back to approximately 100,000 years ago and features a tool manufacturing factory. It is the oldest known human settlement in Haryana and the National Capital Region. Notably, cave paintings discovered here dating from 20,000 to 40,000 years ago in the Aravalli range mark the first such findings in the area. While the cave paintings have got attention, the site's numerous significant rocks remain largely unacknowledged and unpreserved.
Mr. Sunil Harsana, a local at Mangar and an environmentalist, helped us unravel the place.
Mr. Sunil Harsana from Mangar village has devoted 10 years to environmental activism, specifically directed towards the preservation of the region's natural heritage. In 2015, he established the Eco Mangar Club with the primary objective of impacting knowledge about the biodiversity of the forest to children from both local communities and urban areas.
We asked Mr. Sunil about the history and the cultural significance of these rocks.
ये वाला जो रॉक है इसमें दो जगह पे बनाए हैं, ये भी बनाए हैं और ये भी बनाए हैं। अब इनका पैटर्न हम देखें तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7। तो यहाँ का जो पैटर्न है, यहाँ पे अब देखो, यहाँ पे दो लाइन है लेकिन एक जो है क्या बोलते हैं ऑड है और एक इवन है नंबर जो है। तो यही चीज़ जब हम जैसे अब थोड़ा आगे जा कर के और दूसरी साइड है तो वहाँ पे दोनों जो है ऑड नंबर है, कहीं पे दोनों इवन नंबर है। तो ये एक पैटर्न है। अब इसका क्या मतलब है वो तो बताना अभी मुश्किल है।
सर, तो आपके हिसाब से ये कितने साल पुराने हो सकते हैं?
देखिए, जो मांगर में अभी तक जो रिसर्च हुआ है बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ, पर जो अभी तक हुआ है तो उसके गेस्टिमेशन में ये है कि मांगर में जो साइटें मिली हैं वो मिड पीरियड यानी 3000 साल से, जिसमें कि मतलब रॉक पेंटिंग और ओपन जो एयर साइट है जिसमें ये ग्राफ्टिंग कार्विंग प्लस जो टूल है ये 3000 साल से लेकर के और 2.5 लाख साल तक की डिफरेंट चीज़ें मिली।
What is the significance of this rock art? Is it a calendar of sorts? A script? A code? So many questions that can unravel the secrets of a man's evolution, which can unlock the key to his survival and perhaps teach us valuable lessons too. The stone tools and rock art dating back to 100,000 years and cave paintings date back to 20,000 to 40,000 years. This is also the oldest human habitation discovered in Haryana and Delhi NCR. Findings push back the history of the anthropogenic history of Haryana and NCR by several thousand years. We demand that the Paleolithical sites in Mangarbani village bordering Haryana be preserved. These locations are priceless historical and cultural assets that need to be kept safe from development and deterioration. To protect the sustainability of these important landmarks, we need to address concerns like illegal development and environmental degradation. Together, let's protect our common legacy for upcoming generations. Numerous villages and lands with Paleolithical sites stay unpreserved and unrecognized. We demand for protecting the forests and Paleolithical sites with a future conservation plan, heritage and ecotourism.
If historical sites like Altamira in Spain can be preserved for their cultural and environmental significance, then why can't we extend the same effort to Mangarbani? Mangarbani is not only rich in biodiversity but also holds historical and cultural importance.